Welcome to all the viewers who are watching me. Today in this video we are going to learn about some questions which are regarding the area of the circle and the circumference of the circle. As I have discussed in my all previous sections, that the area of circle, the formula for the area of circle that you can see on the screen also, it is pi r square, in which the value of pi is 22/7, or we can substitute as 3.14, and the circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. Some questions which we are going to solve in particular this video are as follows. Like for the question number 1. In question number 1 we have to find out the area of the circle whose diameter is given to us. So here given value is d as in diameter 28 centimeter. Let us change this diameter to the radius, so we will divide d by 2, so it will become 28 divided by 2, and hence it will become 14 centimeter. So we are going to substitute in our formula r is equal to 14 centimeter. Now we will put the formula of area of circle. The formula for the area of circle, as discussed previously also, it is pi r square. Let's just start substituting the values and find out the result. The value of pi is 22/7 or 3.14. The value of r here it is 14, and into 14. Why is 14 into 14? Because it is r square. Now let us start simplifying it. 7 1s is 7, 7 2s are 14. The remaining thing is 22 into 2, that is 44, multiply by 14, and finally if after multiplying 44 and 14 you're going to get the result as in 616 centimeter square. That's the answer of the first type of a question. Now here's the second type of a question. In this question we have to find out the circumference of a circle whose radius is given to us. R is given to us as in 5 meter, and we have to find out its circumference. The formula for the circumference is 2 into pi into r. The value of r is already given as in 5 meters, so let us substitute its value. That is 2 into 22/7 as the value of pi, and the r is 5. The thing we have to do is that we have to only simplify it in a proper way. So let us simplify it. When you will multiply 2 into 22 into 5, you will get the answer as in 220, and if you will divide it by 7, at the final result you will get the answer as 31.4 meter. That's the answer for the circumference of a circle, that is 31.4 meter. So this is the one type of a question related to the circumference of a circle. Next type of a question which I have solved for you previously only. In this particular question what we have to do is that in this time they have given the area of circle as in 28.26 centimeter square. We have to find out its radius by taking the value of pi as in 3.14. As it is known that area of the circle's formula is pi r square, in place of area we have put the value as in 28.26 centimeter square. Pi, as such it was said that 3.14 we have to substitute, and r square remains the same because we have to find out its value only. Now start transposing the 3.14 to the denominator of the another side and starting cancelling it that. So it came as in 9. 9 is a square of a number, that is 3. So you can see here r square is equal to 3 square. In the final condition we will say the value of r as in 3 centimeter. So this is the way how we can solve this question, a different kind of a question. Now let us move towards a last type of a question in which also we have to find out the radius, but this time the circumference is given to us is 132 centimeter, and we have to find out the value of radius we have to find out. As you know that circumference of a circle formula c is equal to 2 into pi into r. We will put the value of pi as in 22/7. So 132 centimeter remains the same in place of c. 2 is also the same, and pi is 22/7. And we have to find out the value of r, so r will be there in the formula. Now let us start cross multiplying the things. So 132 remains in the same place, 7 will go in the numerator, and the division we will get 2 into 22. And remaining thing in the RHS is radius that we have to find. Let us start simplifying the things in a proper way. 2 ones are 2, and to simplify it is in 66, 22 ones are 22, and 22 it will become 3 times. And when you multiply the 7 and 3, you will get the result as 7 3s are 21, and the unit will be centimeter. That's the radius of the given question. Hope you have all understood the different kinds of a question which are regarding the area of the circle and circumference of a circle. I'm sure you all have understood it. If you're facing any problem, you can ask me the doubts in the comment box, and also kindly subscribe my channel, so at least I should get the notifications. Whatever the problems or whatever the doubts you are having, you can ask me there. Thank you very much.